In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily open up a conversation with someone on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser. Then go to chess.com, and then first of all make sure you are signed into your chess.com profile. After that, the easiest way to go to your conversations list is click right here at this letter icon. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the screen that looks like that, where right here at the left you can find any of your existing conversations with someone. You can easily switch between them in that simple way, like in a regular messenger, and that's where you can chat with that users. However, we can also open up a conversation in a small window at the bottom right corner. To do that, go to someone's profile page in that way, click at more, and then click at chat. That will open up that small window. We can move it around, we can place it somewhere on our screen, and that's how we can have a conversation with that user. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.